If you've been posting videos and wondering why your views are stuck at 30, your subscribers haven't moved in weeks, and you're using hashtags like YouTube growth, small YouTuber, but you are still not seeing results, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to review the real hashtags that small YouTubers are using right now to grow their channels very fast on YouTube. The exact hashtags that finally push your YouTube videos into recommended and short feeds. And no, I'm not giving you random tags. I will show you exactly how the algorithm uses the tags, the exact combinations that triggers discoverability, and even how to find trending tags that match your content styles. Ensure to stay with me to the very end because the last 5 minutes of this video has a secret trick that small creators are using to grow faster than before. But first of all, let's clear a myth. Hashtags do not make your videos go viral by magic. They simply make your videos discoverable by the right audience. Simply think of hashtags like a road sign. They tell YouTube, hi, this video belongs to this category. If your hashtag says YouTube tips, YouTube simply starts grouping your video with other creators that are teaching YouTube growth. When someone watches a video like how I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 month, YouTube simply says, oh, this video with this hashtag actually does something similar to this 1,000 subscribers in 1 month video. Let's recommend this next to this video. Hashtag simply allows you to join the right traffic lane, but you still need a great thumbnail and watch time hours to stay on that lane. Every small channel that is growing right now simply use 3 hashtags category. Now let's break them down. The first hashtag category is the broad category hashtag, and this is used for wide discoverability. These are simply the hashtags that everyone uses. They simply help your videos to get discovered by random viewers who are just looking for the random content, not just a specific content. Example is hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag content creator, and hashtag viral video. Now, only use 1 to 2 broad hashtags per video. Now, this is so that you don't compete with millions of videos. The second category of hashtag is the niche category hashtag, and this is basically used for targeted audience. This hashtag describes your specific video topic. Examples: hashtag faceless YouTube channel, hashtag YouTube algorithm 2025, hashtag video editing, hashtag affiliate marketing for beginners, and hashtag how to grow on YouTube. Now, for this category, use 3 to 4 niche hashtags per video to allow YouTube to understand what exactly you teach. Now, the third category of hashtag is the branded hashtag, and this is simply used for channel authority. And this is where you simply build your personal brand. A lot of times, if you want to search for a creator's video, don't type the title of that video on search bar, or either on search engine or the homepage or the YouTube homepage. What you simply type is the name of the channel. For example, if you want to search my video and you go to search bar and you type for Debbie's Tutorial Academy, it will simply land you to my channel. And by so doing, Debbie's Tutorial Academy is my branded hashtag. If, for example, I want to form a hashtag for my channel, anytime I want to make a video, I'll simply add Debbie's Tutorial, hashtag Debbie's Tutorial Academy after adding the other types of tags, right? So when people type my name on any search bar, it will actually land them to my YouTube channel. So this is what the brand hashtag is all about. So whenever you're adding combination of hashtags to your video, ensure you also add your channel's name as a hashtag as well. By so doing, it will make YouTube to know that, okay, this is a brand. This type of brand is on YouTube. And when people are searching for videos from this brand, I can actually bring them to this person's channel. Simply use 1 branded hashtag on each of your video to build your own search cluster on YouTube. Now, I'm going to be telling you how the YouTube algorithm reads the hashtag. Now, let's go behind the scene. When you upload a video, YouTube scans 3 main things: your title, the description, and your hashtag. If all these 3 things are lines, YouTube will immediately know who your target audience is, the people you're actually making the video for. And it will be easy for people to see your video. It will be easy for your video to appear on browse features. A lot of times, if you make your video and your title is not specific, your description do not carry the title of your video, your description is not saying what your video is all about. Because I see that a lot of times some new creators make videos and they don't write anything in their description box. And by so doing, you will discover that your videos cannot even appear on browse features, let alone search engine. If you don't write anything in your description box, you don't apply your hashtag, I don't know how your video is going to appear on search engine. And that is why a lot of small creators keep on struggling for years and they are not making headway. And that is simply because they are not doing the right thing. And congratulations to you if you're meeting this video, because I feel like you're going to learn a lot in this video. Do well to follow me to the very end. At the end of the day, I'm sure you're going to learn something. Just like I said, if all these three things, your title, your description, and your hashtags are in place, YouTube immediately knows your target audience. Let's say, for instance, your title is how to get 1,000 subscribers very fast in 24 hours. And your hashtag includes YouTube tips, small YouTuber, and YouTube algorithm. YouTube confidently recommends your video to videos that are similar to that topic. But if your title just says YouTube tips and your hashtags are motivation, love quotes, funny shots, you simply confuse the algorithm and it simply will not know who to show your videos to. And sometimes, even if it wants to help you, to just take your videos to people talking about love quotes and all of those things. And when people are searching for videos about motivation and love quotes and your video pops up, they are not going to click on it because that's not what they are searching for. But if your video appears close to similar videos that are talking the same thing that your video is all about, you're going to have a lot of options. And as long as you're having an emotionally appealing title, your thumbnail is sharp and beautiful and inviting and saying, click me, people will leave every other video they are saying and click on your own. So even when YouTube uses your hashtag to send you to the right people or to send you to the right search query, you are also left to fight with your title and your thumbnail. So your thumbnail should be beautiful. Don't just focus your attention on crafting titles. Also pay attention to your thumbnail, because your thumbnail is just like a billboard to your channel. The only way people are going to click on your video if there's something on your thumbnail that is inviting them, that is attracting them to click on the video. So this is me saying, ensure you have a good thumbnail, ensure you have good title, good hashtags. Everything actually matters. Alignment plus consistency is equal to discoverability. Now I'm going to be talking about how to actually get trending hashtags. Now let me tell you what I do before I come up with a video. I use vidIQ and I use TubeBuddy, but I mostly use vidIQ. And I use ChatGPT as well. But if I want to make a video, for instance, I go to ChatGPT and then I tell ChatGPT, give me trending video ideas on my niche. And then it goes on and on to give me a lot of different type of trending topics I can actually talk about. And do I stop there? No. I go to vidIQ. I open the vidIQ. I go to the trending section. I input the topic that ChatGPT has given to me. And then it's going to bring out the topic. It's going to tell me if the topic is actually trending or not. And if it aligns, I go straight to it. And then what do I do next? I go over to the session where I can actually get trending hashtags on vidIQ. Now I input the topic and vidIQ brings hashtags that are relating to the topic. And then the hashtags that are actually trending is going to make them appear in green color. And by so doing, I already know that if I use these hashtags, my videos are going to be discovered. So before you come up with any video, you need to make your research. And I've given you step by step how I do mine. You can also do this. As long as you're creating content on what is trending, there is no way you're not going to get results. And then come and add those hashtags. Now let's get practical. This is exactly how small channels find trending hashtags that actually go viral. Number one way to find trending hashtag is to use the YouTube search bar. Go to YouTube and type your topic. For example, YouTube growth or faceless YouTube. You're going to see auto suggestions like YouTube growth 2025, YouTube growth tips for beginners, YouTube short growth hacks. Simply use this as hashtags because that is what is trending. That is what people are currently searching for. You can simply type YouTube algorithm to know if it is trending. Another way to find trending hashtags is to check your competitors' videos. Go to channels that have 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers in your niche. Open their most viewed videos. Simply scroll down, enter their description box and check the type of hashtags they use. If they are getting a number of views, then know that those hashtags are actually trending. Another way to get trending hashtag is to combine old and new hashtags. Simply mix classic evergreen hashtags with trending now hashtags. Now, there are hashtags on YouTube that are evergreen. When I say evergreen, it means that just like they have evergreen content, and evergreen contents are the kind of content you create, and even in years to come, that video is going to still be getting views. It also applies to hashtags. There are some hashtags you use in your video, and even in years to come, that hashtag is still going to be working for your video. It's not just about trending now and then it's not going to trend again. There are hashtags that are actually everlasting, and those are the kind of hashtags you can actually incorporate with the trending now hashtags to see more discoverability. An example of an old evergreen hashtag and then a trending now evergreen hashtag you can actually use is a combination of hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag YouTube algorithm 2025, hashtag small YouTuber, and hashtag grow your channel fast. Now I'm going to be telling you the viral hashtags that has been helping small channels to grow their channels fast in 2025. We have a niche on YouTube that is dedicated for YouTube groups. And if you're under this niche, I'm going to be telling you the hashtags that are actually working right now on this niche. We have hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag small YouTuber, hashtag YouTube algorithm, hashtag YT tips, hashtag how to grow on YouTube, hashtag grow with me. If your niche is tech and AI channels, now these are the hashtags that are currently working on your niche. We have hashtag AI tools, hashtag AI video editing, hashtag CapCut tutorials, hashtag Picture AI, hashtag Sora 2 AI, hashtag Google VEO3, hashtag content creation. Now, if you're on the motivational channel, the hashtags that are trending on your niche are successful mindset, motivation for you, inspire others, glow up journey. Now, if you're on the educational channels, the hashtags that are working for you are learn with me, how-to videos, skill building, YouTube tutorials, online course. Now, if you're on the niche of short creators, like if your channel is all about creating shorts, these are the hashtags that will work for you. Hashtag YouTube shorts, hashtag viral shorts, hashtag YT YouTube algorithm, hashtag YT short algorithm, hashtag short tips. Now, here is a tip. Always check the view to video ratio. If a hashtag has 10 million videos, but only a few thousand views, simply skip it. You want hashtag that has high views, but low competitions. Now, the hashtag combo formula. Here's the formula I've tested and it works perfectly for small creators. Combined the two broad categories of hashtags plus one branded and one trending hashtag. And this will give you 7 powerful hashtags. There is no way you're going to combine all this together and you will not get views on your video. I'm going to give you an example of this mixed one you can copy if you're on my niche. Hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag content creator, hashtag faceless YouTube channel, hashtag YouTube algorithm 2025, hashtag grow your YouTube channel fast. You can simply just copy this and paste it on every video description you have. That's simply the perfect blend. When you mix all this, you are visible globally, targeted locally, and branded uniquely. Now, let me tell you a short story. A creator named Lisa Tech only had 280 subscribers. She posted about faceless tutorials and AI tools, but her videos barely hit 100 views. But when she changed her hashtag strategy, instead of using random hashtags like viral video, online work, she switched to AI video editing, CapCut tutorials, AI tools 2025, content creation, tech tutorials, and then she added her own brand, Lisa Tech. Within 3 weeks, one of her videos hit 45,000 views. YouTube simply grouped her with other tech creators, and she gained 1,500 subscribers instantly and organically. Now, hashtags did not do all the work, but it positioned her in the right audience lane. And that's why I keep saying, hashtags do not make you go viral. They make you visible to the right people who can make you go viral. Now, if you're posting short videos, here is a quick hack you must try. Use hashtags that tells YouTube that you are creating a short form educational content style. Hashtag YouTube shorts, hashtag short tips, hashtag short growth, hashtag YouTube algorithm, hashtag shorts 2025. This simply signals the short recommendation system that your video fits trending topics, giving you a better chance to hit the short shapes. Now listen closely, because this part matters more than all the hashtags I have shared. You can use the hashtag tools and strategy, But if you stop posting, if you lose consistency, YouTube will simply forget you. Algorithm will forget you were existing. Hashtag gives you visibility. Consistency gives you growth. So keep showing up, keep experimenting, and don't let the low views you are getting to trick you into believing that your contents are rubbish or your content doesn't matter. Every big YouTuber you admire today started exactly where you are. They learned to use smart strategies and they never quit. So don't just post, optimize, learn, and improve. And one day, people will search your name and your branded hashtags just to find you. If this video helped you, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have amazing videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.